Hello children, good morning. Children, I am Yusmita ma'am. Once again, I am welcome you all to the Standard 1 Literature class. Children, this is our first class. So I hope you all are get ready with your book and copy. So kindly all of you take out chapter 1, Manu and his family. So let's start the chapter. This is Manu. See, this is Manu. He lives in Ranchi. This is Manu's house. Manu lives in Ranchi and this is Manu's house. His mother is a doctor. Manu's mother is a doctor. Her name is Veena Kumar. She works in Amber Hospital and Manu's mother works in Amber Hospital. So children, turn the page. Manu's father is a teacher. See, Manu's father is a teacher. His name is Ravi Kumar. What is his name? Manu's father name is Ravi Kumar. He works in Central School. Here is Manu with his family. See, here is Manu with his family. He lives with his mother, his father, his grandpa, his grandma and his little sister Mita. How many members are there in Manu's family? Manu's mother, father, grandpa, grandma and Manu's little sister. Her name is Mita. Mita is 10 months old. Manu loves to play with Mita. See, Manu's little sister who is 10 years old. And Manu loves to play with Mita. Her sister, Manu's sister name is Mita. Manu has a dog called Spot. See, Spot. He is white and has a big black spot on him. See, Spot, he is white and has a big black spot on him. Every morning, Manu and Spot play in the garden. Manu throws a ball. See how Manu and Spot playing. Spot runs after the ball. He wags his tail hard. He is happy to be outside. Children, wags means move or cause to move rapidly to and fro. Children, turn the page. In the evening, Manu takes Mita out in her pram. They go to the park. Grandpa goes with them. Spot goes with them too. Many boys and girls play in the park. Mita sees them and laughs. See, in the park many boys and girls they are playing and Mita sees them and laughs. Manu has many books. Every night his grandma reads to him. Manu likes to look at the words and pictures. Every night Manu has many books. Every night his grandma reads to him. Manu likes to look at the words and pictures. Manu is sleepy. He hugs his teddy bear and goes to sleep. Spot is sleepy too. Can you see him? See. The picture how Manu and Spot is sleeping. Okay children, you read this chapter 2 times. In my next video, we will discuss the question answer. Okay, thank you.